A child abduction emergency has been issued. This is an Amber Alert. Iowa law enforcement has determined that a child has been abducted and the life of the child is in danger. Repeating, this is an Amber Alert. Iowa law enforcement has determined that a child has been abducted and the life of the child is in danger. An Amber Alert is in effect for Iowa. Here is specific information regarding the Amber Alert. The child was abducted on Friday, July 10th at 3:30 a.m. from Davenport, Iowa. The suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a 2007 Chevrolet Impala bearing the following Iowa license plate number, IVU770. The vehicle and suspect are currently in police custody, but the child is still missing. The child is an African-American female 10 years of age, 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 75 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. Repeating, the suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a 2007 Chevrolet Impala bearing the following Iowa license plate number, IVU770. The vehicle is currently in police custody. All abductors should be considered dangerous. To report information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Attention media, for complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Plymouth County in northwestern Iowa, east central Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Akron, Craig and Chatsworth. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Sioux and Plymouth, and Union, South Dakota. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clay County in southeastern South Dakota, west central Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Vermilion, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elk Point around 8:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota, Union and Clay. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Sanborn County in East Central South Dakota, Minor County in East Central South Dakota, McCook County in Southeastern South Dakota, Yankton County in Southeastern South Dakota, Northeastern Hanson County in Southeastern South Dakota, Southwestern Brookings County in East Central South Dakota, Eastern Hutchinson County in Southeastern South Dakota, Southeastern Kingsbury County in East Central South Dakota, Southwestern Moody County in East Central South Dakota, Northern Clay County in Southeastern South Dakota, Lake County in East Central South Dakota, Western Minnehaha County in Southeastern South Dakota, Western Lincoln County in Southeastern South Dakota, Turner County in Southeastern South Dakota, Northwestern Union County in Southeastern South Dakota, until 2 a.m. At 1:19 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fedora to near Bridgewater to near Yankton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dalton and Roswell around 1:25 a.m. Canastota around 1:30 a.m. Lake Vermilion State Recreation Area, Mayfield and Volin around 1:35 a.m. Montrose, Irene and Wakanda around 1:40 a.m. Humboldt around 1:45 a.m. Centerville, Viborg and Oldham around 1:50 a.m. National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, western Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, southern Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, southwestern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, southeastern Minnehaha County in southeastern South Dakota, southeastern Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, northeastern Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 3 a.m. At 2:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Larchwood to Hudson to near Hayward, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hills and Lester around 2:25 a.m. Rock Valley and Dune around 2:30 a.m. Sioux Center, Hull and Morris around 2:35 a.m. Orange City, Boyden and Ellsworth around 2:40 a.m. Alton, Adrian, George and Matlock around 2:45 a.m. Hospers and Rushmore around 2:50 a.m. Sheldon, Sibley, Ashton and Archer around 2:55 a.m. Sanborn around 3 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bigelow, Steen and Chatsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Woodbury County in west central Iowa, southwestern Plymouth County in northwestern Iowa, northern Dakota County in northeastern Nebraska, central Dixon County in northeastern Nebraska, southeastern Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 4:30 a.m. At 4:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Martinsburg, or near Ponca, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jackson in Dakota County around 4:10 a.m. North Sioux City and Jefferson around 4:20 a.m. Hinton around 4:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Waterbury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. for the following counties: in Iowa, Plymouth and Woodbury, and the following counties: in Nebraska, Dakota and Dixon, and Union, South Dakota.